Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your last name on Pinterest. If you've ever wanted to personalize your Pinterest profile a bit more, adding your last name is a simple way to do it. It helps people find you and adds a personal touch to your account one. So, let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the word Saved. Tap on that, and then tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your Pinterest profile. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to make some edits. Look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top of your screen. Tap that, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can change various aspects of your profile. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll see several options. You can change your profile picture, add a bio, and of course, modify your name. Find the last name bar. It might be empty if you haven't added a last name before. Simply tap on the bar and type in your last name. Make sure you spell it correctly. After you've entered your last name, take a quick look at the other information on the page to make sure everything is as you want it. Once you're satisfied, look for the Done button. It's typically in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping Done will save all the changes you've made. And that's it. You've successfully added your last name to your Pinterest profile. Now when people view your profile, they'll see your full name, making it easier for friends, family, and followers to recognize you. A few things to keep in mind. You can change your name as often as you like, but it's a good idea to keep it consistent so your followers can easily find you. Also, Pinterest usernames must be unique and can be between 3 and 30 characters long. Usernames can include letters, numbers, and underscores, but no spaces or special characters. If you decide you want to change your username, go to Settings, then Edit Profile. Scroll down to Username and enter your new username. If the username is not available, you'll need to try a different one. Click Save Profile. Adding your last name is just one small step in making your Pinterest profile your own. Feel free to explore the other settings and options to further customize your profile and make it stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.